Stop. Whatever you are doing, if you are an affiliate marketer and you are sending people straight your offer page, you are burning money. I made this exact mistake and I nearly killed my businesses. But what I learned turned everything around. I am CP Shajit and today I am breaking down the secret funnel strategy that top affiliate marketer use. Nobody tells about. Let me take you back to early in 2022. I had just launched my affiliate blog, invest in ads, write decent content, and I was hyped. I picked a great offer, highest commission, proven sales page. I did crush it, but guess what? Zero conversions, not low, zero. Thousands of clicks and not a single sale. I thought maybe it's the offer, maybe it's not my ad, maybe it's the landing page, but it was not of that. Here's the hard truth. Affiliate marketing is not about traffic. It's about trust and sending cold traffic to straight an affiliate link. It's like asking a stranger to marry you on the first date. Even the product is perfect, they don't know you, they don't trust you, they would not buy. And that's the secret. The pros. The real affiliate marketers making 10k a month use a trust first funnel. Here's how it works. Step 1. Break page with a story instead of the linking directly to the affiliate offer. They send traffic to a simple page with a personal story or hook. Why? They believe in the product, what problem they solve, in the quick value or the tip. This builds trust and set the stage. Step 2. Email capture. They collect the email before receiving the offer. Why? Because 95% of people would not buy from the first visit. But now you can follow up. This is where email marketing becomes your secret weapon. I use get response and link in below. Step 3. Follow up the sequence. Not feels like a story, not a spam. Email that task, share your journey and gradually introduce that the offer again. But by day 3 or day 5 they feel like you know you. And that's when they buy. After switching to this story, I rebuilt my funnel using a simple story-driven brief page, get response for my email, a 5 email sequence that focused on value the first in just 3 weeks. I would not from 0 conversions to 17 sales with the exact same offer and better yet. My first grow, my audience trust me and my ad cost become it worth it. Most affiliates are stuck because they skip the most important step. Relationship building, click, link, pray. That's not a funnel, that's a coin toss. The secret funnel strategy is not magic, it's just human psychology. People buy from people they trust. If you are serious about building a long-term income, step direct linking to affiliate pages, create a story fast, brief page that connects emotionally. Capture emails and automate value driven the follow-ups. That's trust your emails like you trust the landing page. And yes, you can do this without expensive tools or fancy website. If you want the tools I personally use, check in the link below and they are the beginner friendly and build affiliate success. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and drop a comment if you want to me review your funnel. And subscribe if you are serious about growing your affiliate income the smart way. This is CP Shajit signing off. Until next time, build trust, then sell.